Let's go. Put our shirts down. So that's the bit in the bit. Put the song. And then as soon as I say sing, you put it up again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, sing! Sing it now! Keep singing out! Late in the evening, brush on the side, I've been sat with you most of the night. Knowing everybody here, we wish that disappeared, so maybe we could get down now. I ain't don't want to know if you're getting ahead of the program. I want you to be mine, ladies. Won't go party. Picking up the cards because there's no man's time to pull it up. Time, ladies. Need you, darling, so much less control. If you play for it, don't you let me know. Oh, love is a blaze, silver flames on the side of the stage. And I'm hot reggae comes in a couple of days. Still having nothing to say, nothing to go, nothing to drink, and maybe something to smoke. Let it go until I know the change. Singing we found love in a local radio. I don't really know what I'm supposed to say, but I can slip it out and hope and pray. I took my name, I said it's nice for me. And she had me a bottle of water with the key. I already know she's a keeper. Some songs will have to kind of timing. Keep shit if anybody feeling that. I'm meant to drive home, but I don't go looking down. So if it's down, we just sit on the couch. I'm thinking I took a couple of pushing my back. Need you, darling, I'm on shit control. If you face before you, don't you let me know. All the guys in here don't need more than drums. Can you feel it? I can hear the music from the back. Can you feel it? Found you hiding here, so won't you take my hand out before the beat keeps again? Can you feel it? Ooh, my boy. Can you feel it? Thank you so much for having me. Thanks for singing there, for screaming there, for clapping your hands. Enjoy the rest of the weekend, but before I go, I want you to not stop singing what we were just singing. If I walk off stage, you carry on singing it. If you walk back to your campsite, you're still singing it. In between other things, you're still singing it. When you wake up tomorrow morning, you're still singing it. Everyone put your shirts in the air right now.